All right, hi guys. So we got a clutch sitting in front of us here. Probably one of the worst ones we've seen, and I'm gonna kind of give you a story how to burn a new clutch out in 6 months, basically. So as you can see, a lot of these parts, a lot of these discs, they got bluing on them. They got severely hot. Friction material is degraded really bad and pitted. A lot of dust in here, clutch dust. The pressure plate disc here is severely cut in, hot spots. As you can see, even on springs and stuff, you can see heat marks or bluing. Bluing even actually on the pressure plate mounting surface here. Intermediate plate, hot spots, cut in pretty bad. So a lot of damage here for a clutch being only 6 months old, unfortunately, for the owner. So, and I think this all stemmed from two faults, I guess. Even here on the pressure plate, you can see all that bluing because this thing got really, really hot. So what we found is that there wasn't a pigtail installed on the throwout bearing here, so it looks like this was never greased. When we took off the inspection plate, there was a bunch of pieces like the bearing race cage came apart. You can see the bushings in here are in really bad shape, and unfortunately also the input shaft is gone. It's going to have to be replaced as well. So what happened here is, obviously, like I just said, it wasn't greased initially and probably was never adjusted, and everything just kept slipping and burning, and that's how you have this huge mess. Like I said, normally with a manual adjust clutch, I recommend adjusting them like the first week. Everything kind of seats in, adjust them, and probably go ahead and grease your throwout bearing again just to make sure, because it sucks to have to do this twice. $2,500, $3,000 job in the course of 6 months. So keep that in mind if you're getting the new manual adjust clutch put in, which we always put in manual adjust clutches here. That way you can replace this adjuster if it goes bad, unlike a self-adjusting clutch. If it stops adjusting, then you're kind of screwed. So at least with these, you do have a little bit of power over that. With any clutch, make sure your throwout bearing is greased. And again, with a manual adjust clutch, I would adjust that or have it adjusted like within the first week after installation.